Hello, I am Mark Britton and welcome to this special edition of News from the Future, live from PCIM in Nuremberg. This edition looks at 5 series of push-pull connectors from MH connectors. They feature special spring-action locking and other significant advantages, including fast delivery. These secure, circular connectors are only released when the outer sleeve is squeezed by the operator and the connector is pulled. It is this spring-action latching which prevents the connector from becoming accidentally disconnected. The push-pull connectors also add protection to IP50 or IP68, and for durability and reliability, the metal shell connectors are rated for 5,000 mating cycles, and the plastic shell supports 1,000 mating cycles. And there are even more advantages. With IP50 protection, the connectors include a miniature metal connector, which has an ultra-compact 7mm diameter, as well as the best-selling B-series metal connector. In a plastic shell, the P-series can be used in applications such as medical, where disinfection is vital. For waterproof connectors with IP68 sealing, the metal shells offer full EMI and RFI shielding. The best-selling K-series has a slightly larger geometry, with the newer T-series offering the same performance but in the standard geometry. All of these connectors withstand vibration and shock when handling data, signal, and power, and they are compatible with existing industry solutions. To request a free sample, read the Future blog on the self-latching push-pull MH connectors. Thank you.